This is Joseph Drust, and welcome back to another episode of Ask ZBrush. So we had a question sent in asking, is there a way to append all the tools from one project into another project? So to start off, I just have ZBrush loaded up, and I have one example model file here. So this is one project file that consists of a rifle. And then I have a second project file. So I'm coming to the file menu here and open this up. And just load this in quick. So here is my second project file. And at this stage, what I want to do is I want to append this project and all its tools that go along with it into that other file. So is there a way that I can take one project and then append everything that project contains into another project? So the answer to this is yes, and to do this, we just need to navigate up here to the tool palette, and then use this option here that's called Load Tools from Project. So if I come across this option here, and now click, this is going to open up that dialog box again, and in here I can now select my other ZPR file. So I have that first rifle here that I had loaded in, and this is a ZBrush project file. And if I click open to this, it's going to open that project. It's going to look at all the tools that the project contains, and it's going to append them into my current scene. So if I click open on this now, it's going to now take all those files and now append it into my scene. So now here I have that second rifle that was in the first project, and it is now appended to my current project. So here I have the sniper variant here, and then the assault variant here, and these are now all in the same project file. So now I come up to the top here and go File, Save As, and now save this out as one single project file rather than having two project files. Now there is one caveat to using the Load Tools from Project option here. This option will only work with files that are saved in ZBrush 2019 or later. So if you try to load a tool in to use this append functionality, and you select a version of a file that was created in, say, ZBrush 2018, and now click Open, you're going to get this dialog that's going to pop up. So this is telling you that this is an older project file, and it doesn't allow for the individual component loading. So in order to fix this, we can just simply now go to our file menu here and load that project file. So I'm going to load Earthquake in here. And now just resave Earthquake out. So going up here and going Save As, and I'm just going to overwrite that project there. And now if I load back in my rifle file here, and now I want to append the tools that are inside the Earthquake project, I can now go to the tool palette, click this Load Tools from Project file here. I can now select the resaved version of the Earthquake project file, and this will now append Earthquake in to that project. So one little thing there, when using Load Tools from Project, you want to make sure that the ZPR that you're trying to load the tools from has been created in ZBrush 2019 or later. So if you have any other questions related to ZBrush pipelines or processes, please use the hashtag AskZBrush on Twitter. Happy ZBrushing!